So this is the keypad without the reflector in it, and a lot of the light is being lost. Here I have the paper cut out of the reflector, and I'm going to put it in here to show the difference. It's very simple to put in. So turn the unit around, remove the back plate. Obviously if it's already hooked on the wall you'll need to take it off the wall. Remove this battery at the top. So to fit this reflector section, all you need to do is fold these ears down, lift up this tag here, which will help you put it in, slide it into the battery compartment, ensure that the LED fits in, then using that tag, that will help you get the bottom section in. Make sure it all sits down, fit the battery back in, make sure the LED is still in the side, and there you have it. Now when I put the back section in and turn it over, you'll see the brightness of the green has at least doubled. Thank you for watching.